Hey, hello everyone, it's your boy Ash here. Today we are going to talk about my amazing portfolio I made this month earlier, and it took me a lot of time because of the fact that I started making this website initially when I started my web development journey. So basically, this was my initial stage of my web development. So where I just started to implement every bit of learning what I learned earlier, and this helped me a lot of learning with every aspect of the web development. So initially I was into HTML and CSS. So when time passed by, I just really wanted to make my productive level to the next level. So basically I started React. So React, you all know, it works in the way of modularity. So basically you can manage everything way easier compared to HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript. So basically here in the vanilla way, you are going to have everything in a single place. You can make that modular, but it's going to be taking a lot of time to manage as well as handle. So going to the React was the best option I have ever had. So it was like when I had this amazing project of mine. It's called Ashim. So let's open it. And here you can see I have this amazing website I have made. So this was an project given by my college, and this project is initially I just planned to make it way simpler, but hopefully I wanted to just risk it and make it React. It was just a simple thought, but hopefully made it way to React, and that's the best decision I have ever took. Because you know React that day, because I was not even that strong in JavaScript earlier, because of the fact that I was just into HTML and CSS, but due to the fact that I already know Python, which made everything way easier. And coming to the JavaScript, I just underestimated the fact that it's going to be easy. So I just learned about some JavaScript, and hopefully I thought React is going to be easy. But after this project, I initialized my project to React, and man, that was the worst decision. But I had this confidence that things are going to be okay, and I just finished this amazing website. I'll be making a video about how I took this approach and website. So when we are opening this website, you are going to be welcomed by this amazing loader screen, and then we are going to have this website. So uh, the top part, it's going to be navbar. You all know, way obvious. And here it was way simple and way straightforward. We have home, about, work, contact, as well as download CV. And I made the download CV more clickable, of the fact that this is an portfolio. As I am a student right now, I just want to be hired by a company. So basically like HR is going to click on a website, they are going to see the download CV first, okay, then they are going to see your other work. So basically I make that particular button way clickable in the navbar. And when we hover, we have this simple underline animation. If you want the code, I'll be updating hopefully in the description. Future Ashik, do your work. And here we have a hero section, which is going to be way simple, and make sure your hero section is not too long. Okay, I have seen a lot of portfolios having a huge hero section, which like the hero section is going to be mostly of your symmetry as well as the appearance. Okay, so basically make this presentable as hell, then come to the content. Okay, the content section, you'll be having lot of sections to cover, so don't complicate ever. So here I'm having a way simple content here. So it's going to be, hey, I am ashikpy, musician and programmer, Indian, TN, and a simple description, a nerd who favors to doing some amazing things of the web development instead of enjoying his teenage, which is true. And coming to the fact of the next section, which is going to be about me. This section I don't quite like of, but I just want forced to do it. So here I just had this amazing friend. She made the content for me, and this basically explains I am a front end developer and I do some music. And coming to the technologies, this is the technology I know, and magic appears when you hover on it. Yeah, so when you hover on it, all of the colors is going to be coming back. So the native colors are adapted basically. And coming to the next part, which is going to my projects. So I am labeling this as my works. And coming to the first project, I just showcase this website. Just make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to make a dedicated video on that. And the second website is going to be my client's project, and this is confidential for some reasons, so I can't really show the code for now, but hopefully in the future days I'll be showing. Now, so the coming to the next project is going to be my cyber toys project, which is an e-commerce project I'm working on for long. This is actually a project which I collaborated with my cousin, who's an amazing digital artist. So this is going to be a longer time because of the fact I'm learning backend right now. So yeah, and again, how can I forget my own portfolio? So I mentioned it here. So next section is going to be very intimidating, but it's I swear it was very hard. So the first one was this amazing animation of this airplane, which is going to be traveling from what to say, the corner to another corner. So basically, I stay in this blue dot, which is Nagarkoil. If you heard about it, it's in southern part of India, and yeah, you can see there's clouds also. This clouds is having some basic animation, you all know, but the positioning was very harder initially. So I make sure it was way easier later then. And this was an inspiration I took from bento.me, and let me go to my own site of this. And this is an amazing website, please make sure to check. And here you can see there is a widget. Here we can see the same similar thing. Basically I took inspiration, okay, and you can see airplane also coming. So basically I took this png and put it in my website. So let's go to our website. And here I just listed all of my social medias. So basically GitHub, Spotify, LinkedIn, as well as YouTube. So fun fact, initially I put an API for YouTube. So basically whenever I upload a new video, it's going to be fetching here, as well as it's going to be making it into an iframe. So basically this is called an iframe. So if you go to any YouTube and in the down you'll see a share button, right? And if you go to the share button, you'll be seeing an section which says copy as iframe. So basically this is embedded inside of your page. Like for my purpose, it was for my portfolio. So basically this was an amazing feature offered by YouTube, but the way way bad thing was, this is a like way CPU intensive. So basically this is going to make a jankier effect in your older system. So this was the thing why I put that initial loading screen, but it really didn't work. So hopefully I'll remove that. And now coming to the Instagram, Discord, and X, formerly called Twitter. And coming to the next part, which is the contact me. And this actually I used an component called a component from eccentricity. So this was made by an Indian guy, quite proud of that. And if I go to that website and go to browse components here, hopefully I can see that website. Yeah, this component I have used. And if I go to my own website, this button is also stolen from him. That's the same component I have used in my download CV. So basically this was my website, and this effect is also stolen from him. So make sure to check this amazing website. This is actually a free website you can use in your amazing portfolio or your client project, hopefully. So this was an amazing website I have made. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.